On your browser like Google Chrome or Safari, on the Google search, you want to search for Stripe. Then you want to click the website called stripe.com, which will take you to this page, and you want to click on sign in button at the top right of the screen. Usually, Stripe will remember your activity before and save your login data. Then you may just click right here on sign in button and to do a sign in. But if it's a new computer or laptop that you use, then you may insert your email account and password that you used to signing in into Stripe before. You may also try to log in straight with your Google account by clicking right here on the Google button. And you may choose the Google account that you used before. And if by any chance you forget the password, click right here on forgot your password. And you may try to reset your passwords. But remember that at least you have your email that you used before on Stripe. Then you may check your authenticator application on your phone like Google Authenticator app to insert the 6-digit code as a two-step verification. The authenticator interface usually will look a lot like this. Then you want to click on this continue button, and you are successfully signing in to your account. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.